Today, Niners, this video lesson will be having the trigonometric functions of general angles. The formulas are all here. Sine theta, cosine theta, tangent theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, and cotangent theta. In terms of these values x, y, and r, you know that x and y are any x and y coordinates on the plane, and r is the distance of the point from the origin, all related by x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Okay, so just you have to remember this. Let's get on to the problem. Find the 6 trigonometric function values of the angle whose terminal side contains the point 4, -8. So first, of course, the important thing is to locate your point. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is where your point is, 4, -8. So the point is in the fourth quadrant. And if it's in the fourth quadrant, the terminal side must be this side. The initial side is, of course, the positive side of the x-axis. Your angle theta is this angle, this reflex angle, which is terminating in the fourth quadrant. So your point 4, -8. This must be your x. This must be your y. Then again, solving for r, you have x squared plus y squared equals r squared. X is 4, so when squared 16. -8 when squared is positive 64. For your information, it's r squared. So that's r squared equal to 80. Of course, you have to simplify and get the square root. Square root of 80 is what? What's square root? Miguel, you've been here earlier. What's square root of 80?
4 square root of 5.
4 square root of 5. Okay. Now, you have the values x. Just have here x is 4, y is -8, and r is 4 squared root of 5. Pretty much you can get all the 6 trigonometric function values by doing this. So what is sine? Sine must be y over r. So that's -8 over 4 squared root of 5. Cosine is x over r. That's 4 over 4 squared root of 5. So let's just write here, for example, cosine. Then leave the rest to you. Cosine is x over r. And you know it's 4 over 4 squared root of 5. So you have to rationalize and simplify. So that's 1 over square root of 5. That means when rationalized to be square root of 5 over 5. That's it. Now what is tangent? What is tangent of the angle? What is tangent of the angle? That must be y over x. -8 over 4, that's -2. That's how easy it is. So let's go on to the next. Given that sine theta is 7 over 25 and theta is greater than or equal to 90 degrees, less than or equal to 180 degrees, find the 6 trigo function value of the angle. Okay, so it's very important that you know where your angle is. That's why this condition. Now, given that sine is 7 over 25, you know that's y over r. So that means r is 25. R is always positive, so that's 25. Now y is 7, of course. So we are looking for x to get the other functions. So again, the relationship x squared plus y squared equals r squared. You have your x squared plus y squared, 7, y is 7. So this must be 49. Equals 25 squared, that's 625. So x squared must be 625 minus 49. What's that? 576. So when you get the square root of this, extracting both, x is equal to positive and -24. Now, it helps if you know the triples. You know it's 7, 25, and 24 triples, so you won't have to go through this process. So anyway, we have to choose whether to use the positive or the negative x. Now comes the condition into play. Theta is greater than or equal to 90, less than or equal to 180. That must be in quadrant 2. Here, in this quadrant. Right? So if it's in this quadrant, then x must be what? X must be what's x? Negative. Right? So we have to use -24. Then again, you have all these values x, y, and r can answer anything. So what is sine? Let's erase. So let's just answer the 3-1, sine at cosine, tangent, etc. So what is tangent of the angle? Y over x. So that's negative 7 over 24. What's cotangent? Negative 24 over 7, the reciprocal, right? What is cosine? Negative x over r, negative 24 over 25. That's how easy it is, really. When you have this x, y, and r, it's done. Right? Let's go to the last. Given that cotangent is 7 and theta is not in quadrant 1, find the 6 trigo function values. Now, I'm not really looking for all 6 of them, but we're looking for x, y, and r, and it's done. It's basically done. You have cotangent 7. But wait, there's no denominator. What's the denominator here? Must be 1, right? Cotangent is x over y. Let's just go back here. Cotangent is x over y. You have, so that means x7. Does it mean that x7 and y is 1 automatically? Not yet. But we have x squared plus y squared. Wait, plus y squared is equal to r squared. So x, we don't know yet if it's 7, y is 1, because x can be negative 7 and y can be negative 1, and it will still result into a positive 7 value for cotangent. Now here comes again the condition, not in quadrant 1. If cotangent is positive, because it's positive 7, and it's not in quadrant 1, then it can only be in quadrant 3, right? So if it's in quadrant 3, then these are not the values. The values of x and y are negative 7 and negative 1, respectively. Thus, when you divide, I'm giving you a positive 7 cotangent, right? You can use this here. Therefore, r, doing this, you have this, when you negative 7 when squared, that's positive 49. Negative 1 when squared is 1. Therefore, you get the same r squared of 50. And what is r? It's 5 square root of 2. Then again, when you have all 3 values correct, you can get the other trigo function values with these. So let's start with sine. What is sine? What is sine? Y over r. So that's negative 1 over 5 squared. Of course, we rationalize our answer. So you have negative square root of 2 over 10. Right? Then what is cosine? Cosine is x over r. It's negative 7 over 5 square root of 2. And then rationalizing, that's negative 7 square root of 2 over 10. Sine and cosine. Then cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. Put it here. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so that's negative 5 square root of 2. And then sine, second, the reciprocal of cosine is negative 5 square root of 2 over 7. Right? Right, guys? Guys? Right? Right, guys? So that's it, no? Well, thank you for watching. Good day.